Big performance doesn't have to come in a big box, and in 2025, the mini gaming PC scene is hotter than ever. Whether you've got $500 or $1,500 to spend, we found the best compact powerhouses that punch way above their size. Looking to save space without sacrificing frame rates? You're in the right place. The gaming world is shifting fast, not just in graphics and gameplay but in the form factor of our machines. The rise of mini gaming PCs has revolutionized how gamers think about performance and portability. Whether you're living in a dorm, a compact apartment, or just want to free up desk space without compromising on power, mini gaming PCs are the perfect solution. And thanks to advancements in cooling solutions, power efficiency, and modular design, these small form factor (SFF) builds are more powerful than ever. In this video, we're diving into the top 5 best mini gaming PCs in 2025. Number 5. Beelink SR7 Ryzen Edition at just under $500. The Beelink SR7 Ryzen Edition is the ultimate proof that budget doesn't have to mean basic. Designed around the highly efficient AMD Ryzen 7 7840HS processor with integrated Radeon 7 80M graphics, this compact machine punches way above its price point. The performance is surprisingly solid for a system this small and affordable. Indie games and retro titles also run flawlessly. Its ultra-compact design means it fits right in the palm of your hand. You get 16GB of DDR5 RAM, a 512GB NVMe SSD, and impressive thermal performance thanks to a redesigned cooling chamber. Windows 11 comes pre-installed, so it's plug-and-play right out of the box. It also features Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, and a surprisingly robust port selection including USB-C, HDMI 2.1, and DisplayPort, enabling dual 4K monitor setups. While it's not designed for AAA gaming on ultra settings, it's perfect for gamers on a budget who prioritize portability and efficiency. Beelink SR7 sets a new standard for entry-level gaming PCs in 2025. What really helps the Beelink SR7 stand out is its energy efficiency. This is particularly useful if you leave your system running for long periods while downloading games or streaming content. Number 4. MINISFORUM Elite Mini 790 Mauritanian UDIAS Pro. Stepping up the budget to $800 brings us to the MINISFORUM Elite Mini 790 Mauritanian UDIAS Pro. A beastly mini PC featuring the powerful AMD Ryzen 9 7940HS and the same Radeon 7 80M integrated GPU, but with a noticeable performance boost thanks to better cooling and higher RAM bandwidth. This machine strikes a perfect balance between form and function, fitting in a console-sized chassis that's incredibly quiet even under load. It includes 32GB of DDR5 RAM, 1TB of Gen 4 NVMe storage, and excellent ventilation for consistent gaming performance. It's also an ideal choice for streamers, coders, and media editors looking for GPU-accelerated tasks like video rendering and multitasking, especially in such a compact frame. Its sleek magnesium alloy chassis is not just durable but helps with passive heat dissipation. Plus, it supports triple monitor setups via HDMI, DisplayPort, and USB-C outputs. For gamers looking to get into PC gaming or downsize from a traditional tower without sacrificing too much horsepower, the Elite Mini 790 Mauritanian UDIAS Pro is a rock-solid mid-range option. Number 3. Intel NUC 13 Pro X. At the $1,000 price point, the Intel NUC 13 Pro X takes center stage, a serious performer for gamers who want raw power in a truly tiny box, making it the first on our list to feature dedicated graphics. The result is a compact gaming system that can comfortably handle modern AAA titles like Elden Ring, Call of Duty, Warzone, and Red Dead Redemption 2 at 1080p with medium to high settings. This NUC isn't just about gaming, it's also a multitasking powerhouse with 32GB of DDR4 RAM, a 1TB NVMe SSD, Thunderbolt 4 support, and ultra-fast Wi-Fi 6E. Despite the compact 1.3-liter form factor, chassis is all black, minimalist, and perfect for gamers who like stealthy aesthetics. It supports vPro features for enterprise users, meaning it's also ideal for those who want a machine for both gaming and remote work with enhanced security. Whether you're gaming, editing, or even using it for machine learning tasks, the NUC 13 Pro X delivers consistent, balanced performance. Number 2. ASUS ROG G22 Chat. Just under $1,200. The ASUS ROG G22CH delivers desktop-class gaming performance in an impressively compact form factor. Unlike many mini systems, it doesn't compromise on airflow or power. Instead, it uses a smart dual-chamber cooling design that keeps temperatures low and noise minimal even during extended gaming sessions. The machine also boasts 16GB of DDR5 RAM and a lightning-fast 1TB PCIe 4.0 SSD. making it ready for demanding multitasking and next-gen game load times. Aesthetically, the G22CH features ASUS's signature gamer-friendly design with customizable AuraSync RGB lighting, a semi-transparent side panel, and a small footprint that fits well on a desk or shelf. While the system is pre-built, ASUS designed it with future-proofing in mind. Upgrading RAM, SSDs, and even the GPU is relatively straightforward, giving it long-term value. Real-world gaming test. The RTX 4060's DLSS 3 support ensures even smoother experiences in ray-traced games. For creators, the system handles 4K video editing and streaming with minimal lag. If you're looking for a mini PC that can serve as your main gaming rig for years to come, the G22CH offers a rare mix of performance, design, and expandability in this price range. Number 1, MSI Trident X2 Mini, 2025 edition. This system smashes through AAA games at both 1440p Ultra and 4K high settings. With 32GB of DDR5 RAM, a massive 2TB NVMe Gen 4 SSD, and support for PCIe Gen 5, it's not just ready for 2025, it's built for the future of gaming and content creation. One of the standout features of the Trident X2 Mini is MSI's Silent Storm Cooling 3 technology, which isolates the CPU and GPU in separate chambers to optimize thermal efficiency. This allows the PC to stay cool and whisper quiet even under stress. Additionally, you get premium features like Thunderbolt 4 and 2.5 gigabits Ethernet, ensuring both top-tier connectivity and expandability. It's also an excellent pick for streamers and content creators who need both processing power and reliable thermals. If you're a serious gamer who wants the best mini PC money can buy without stepping into ultra enthusiast territory, Trident X2 Mini is your ultimate solution. Whether you're a budget-conscious student looking for a compact Fortnite machine or a serious gamer needing high FPS and 1440p titles, there's a pick on this list that's built for your needs. From the affordable Beelink SR7 and versatile Elite Mini 790 Mauritanian Ugias Pro to the powerful Intel Nuke, stylish ASUS G22CH, and flagship-level MSI Trident X2, the market is rich with options that redefine what mini gaming rigs can do. And mini PCs have come a long way, and in 2025 they stand toe-to-toe with full towers in terms of performance, thermal design, and upgrade potential. If you're still unsure, drop your questions in the comments and we'll help you choose. Subscribe for more in-depth tech breakdowns, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.